yes, I'm over here. Oh yes, I'm getting it. Oh yes, I'm over here. Oh yes, I'm rocking it. I'm rocking this, I'm rocking up. I could go fast, but still I'm over here to going slow instead. But now I tell the people, yes, I am the J. Oh yes, this other one, they said I'm straight crazy. I'm crazy over here because I like the beat. So now you saying, oh yes, and when we in the street, yes, I'm over here though. Yes, I got my friends though. People telling me I'm over here, oh yes, the friends though. Trying to put in friend zone. People say you on your own. People talking about the other people, yes, you don't belong, say what? So yes, I'm talking about the do you understand? So do you understand that? Do you know that I'm a man? I'm over here just looking at you and you looking good. I'm talking about the girl so other don't be misunstood. Don't understand what I say to when I say to you. I'm looking at you and you making me so happy too. I see you shining and you grinding and you do your thing. You over there, you say you don't need no anything. You over there, you up. Yes, I said I pick you up. I'm over here today, oh yeah, we gonna start on up. We started on the people, why they want to hate your grind. But still I'm over here, but still I will look in your eye, what? So when I say that I'm liking it, I said, oh yes, I'm liking it. Oh, when I said that I'm liking it. So that's a golden when I liking it. So yes, I'm liking you though. But still I said I want more. I'm over here. I'm about to go and give you a show. A show to over here to for your friends and the family. The people's over there. You wanna go and start a family. But still I'm looking up and we grinding and we shine. But still I'm over here to say I want you to be mine. Oh yes, I'm talking about that and I got you on my mind. But still I'm over there, but still I'm dropping with the rhymes. The rhyme is talking about the J. Yes, I'm talking about you. Still I'm over here today. Oh yes, I'm talking about you. The one that's over here that make my soul want to grow. The other people said I see their soul will grow. Oh yes, it did it glow. Now you glowing on your own. But still I'm over here to end. You know I'm in my zone. I'm in my bed, you in your bed. But no, we will not beg. Some people talking about, oh no, we not gonna be scared. Get it what? I said I like it, what I see from you. Said I like the energy from you. Said I'm doing this song for you. Said I like it, what I see from you. Now I'm talking about, oh yes, you are the one. Oh yes, I'm over here, oh yes, I'm getting some. I'm getting some, I want to go and have some fun. So everybody